Now, next examples based on identities a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So, this 8 upon 27 x cube plus 1 plus 4 upon 3 x square plus 2x. So, we can write 8 upon 27 x cube as 2x upon 3 whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3ab means 2x upon 3 into 1 3ab. Value of a is 2x upon 3 and value of b is 1. So 3ab a plus b means 2x upon 3 plus 1. Okay. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So next step is, so we can write it as 2x upon 3 plus 1 whole cube. See, if you want to write, if you don't want to write this step, you can not write. You directly can write 3a square b plus 3ab square. A square a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Both things are same. So it will become 2x upon 3 plus 1. So our answer will be 2x upon 3 plus 1, 2x upon 3 plus 1 and 2x upon 3 plus 1. Now, next example is, see, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So, we can write it as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a plus b plus 2 cube. It became identity itself. So, this identity is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. So, I have written it wrong here. So, I can write it as a minus b whole cube plus 2 cube. It became a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b in bracket, next bracket, a square plus b square minus ab. So we can write it a plus b, a minus b plus 2 a square a minus b whole square plus b square minus ab. So 2 into a minus b. Okay. So answer will be, no, answer will come next. 2. So a square plus b square minus ab plus 4 minus 2a plus 2b. Okay. So it will remain as it is, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 4 minus ab minus 2a plus 2b. Okay. So it will remain as it is. So I think it is our answer. Yeah. It's our answer itself. Now, next example is 125x cube minus 27y cube minus 225x square y plus 135xy square. So 125 is cube of 5. So 5x whole cube minus 3y whole cube minus 3a square b minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3ab square. So I am explaining such questions in both the ways. Means you can use this identity and 3a square b plus 3ab square because both are same. There is no difference. So our answer, so a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So answer will be 5x minus 3y whole cube. Okay. So our answer is 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y and 5x minus 3y. It's our answer. Now, next example, x cube plus 8y cube plus 6x square y plus 12xy square. So, we can write x cube plus 2y whole cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay. So next step, x plus 2y whole cube. So answer will be x plus 2y, x plus 2y, x plus 2y. It's a answer.